You know what your rig is missing? It's not more lights or stronger bumpers or bigger tires. What you need is a GLUETREAD kit. Let me show you what I mean. Here's your typical tire repair kit. But what happens when you get a nail or a screw or a rock through your sidewall? Well, you're toast, right? Well, at least that's what 25 years of off-roading has taught us. But now, you're not. GLUETREAD, sidewall patch repairs. You don't think they work? Here's 2 clips to show you that they do. Clearly here is the leak.
Yeah, as you can see, but.
Oh yeah, maybe for the thing. Oh, what happened? You dropped all the patches just now?
Oh.
This guy did. My trusty associate.
So what you gotta give is give it a hot tour.
Got you with the headlight action. Whoa, 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 you're going down the mountain. You got at least last 30 seconds here, bro, okay? Before you release.
I can't even do that at home.
Come on. It's looking pretty good. Yeah, I don't see any bubbles. You know what else? We took this and repaired a blown wheel on our TRX. Didn't think it held air? Check this clip out. Now if it's leaking, you'll see some bubbles that are kind of ballooning up a little bit. So look at that, dude. GLUETREAD repaired the wheel. Can you believe that? I mean, I'm asking you, do you believe that?
I believe it.
I rubberized my wheel. Now what happens when your wheels have valve stems that stick out like this? They catch a rock, they catch an edge, and you're toast.
It's muddy, it's muddy.
So you could upgrade all your wheels to a deep dish style wheel with the valve stem tucked in nicely. I keep telling you guys.
So you see, look. What happened?
Look at this.
Just crack like this.
Yeah. And that's tucked in too. Or you could get yourself a GLUETREAD kit. It comes with a full valve repair kit. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Here it comes. Oh! There you go. Look at it. Look at it.
Look at that valve.
GLUETREAD, dude. Might be asking yourself, hey Rick, or asking me, I guess, which vehicles does GLUETREAD work on? Which vehicles should I keep a GLUETREAD kit? Let me show you. A lawnmower, GLUETREAD. Golf cart, GLUETREAD. Kids side-by-side, GLUETREAD. Adult side-by-side, GLUETREAD. Kids electric dirt bike, GLUETREAD. Kids electric side-by-side with rubber foam wheels, GLUETREAD. Children's pink, purple, unicorn, sparkle bicycle with integrated GLUETREAD holder, GLUETREAD. Pink, Minnie Mouse, 6-volt ATV, GLUETREAD. Ride on electric dinosaur, GLUETREAD. Dyno truck, GLUETREAD. GLUETREAD. GLUETREAD? Perhaps the most important use when you only have one tire, GLUETREAD. You might be asking yourself, hey Rick, these kits are kind of expensive. Is there any other uses I can have for it? Is there anything else I can possibly use these kits for? Yes, let me show you. How about when one of your best buds decides to blow out your expensive click chair with a bonfire? Well, you could use that nasty Gorilla Tape, or let's see how GLUETREAD fixes it. All right, let's see what that looks like. When we flip it around, look at that. Much cleaner looking than that nasty Gorilla Tape that's already gotten nasty colors coming out of it. It looks like somebody barfed. Look at that, you barely even notice it. GLUETREAD. What else can you do with GLUETREAD? Let me show you. But first, I need to fix this side because it's nasty. All right, it's been about an hour and about a gallon of sweat later. We are going to test the glue-treaded click chair. Can you see that? You can barely even tell from far as opposed to before. See all that nastiness from the Gorilla Tape. We're gonna test it out right now and see if it holds me. Oh yeah, this thing is money. All right, let's check it out. Let's check the bottom. Everything is holding nicely. Yes. Haha. GLUETREAD. And there's even more. I feel like Billy Mays. Stay tuned. And if you find yourself dealing with this, this should do it. Even worse, if you're dealing with this, oh boy, here we go.
Why are there 5 tires in our driveway? What? It looks like a junkyard here. By the HOA.
That should do it. Quick side note, I don't think the GLUETREAD company wants you to use these for children or these for wives, but if you have any tire related issues or maybe even chair related issues, GLUETREAD is what you need. Discount description below. Get it. You won't regret it.